Hey guys, welcome to the show. Again, this is the week of CES, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about one thing that Lenovo has introduced. Lenovo has introduced the Think Plus Gen 5 Hybrid. It's a tablet and a Windows PC computer. It acts as two things at once, where you can actually separate the screen part and it turns into an Android tablet. And if you add the base of this device, it's going to work as a Windows computer where you can actually connect it onto a independent screen. I'm assuming also that there must be some type of software where it turns into a Windows laptop. What do you guys think about this? I think this is pretty innovative technology, and I can't wait. I hope I see this on the shelves of Best Buy. Thanks again, and tune in for the next little clip about CES 2024. Hey guys, Consumer Compute here with an update. Lenovo's just introduced an Android and a Windows operating. What is it? It's a Windows tablet. No, it's an Android tablet that can be converted into a Windows laptop. Hey guys, this is
Wholesale traded at $673.58 on the Nasdaq, up 0.1% since previous close.
On that note, obviously too, CES is all about AI integration. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.